Okurabura oku nikwija obwanyuma ya Ministry y'ebyobuhingi n'oburiisa n'obujubi sabitehwire okukora ekikwekweto obwe poliisi etiine ekyekukimanya. Superintendent of Police Edatu Cosmas nashoborera ngu sabitehwire akahurira ngu Ministry y'ebyobuhingi n'oburiisa n'obujubi ekakora ekikwekweto omu district ya Kisoro na munonga amaduuka gaguza emibazi y'ebyobuhingi n'oburiisa eyari kugira ngu bonka poliisi tiine ekibabembamanyaho.
I want to say that the operation actually I am just hearing it that an operation was carried out by MAIF, but I am not certain, I am not aware, because at least for me what I know, when you come from a different district, from a ministry, you are supposed to come and introduce yourself in the office and tell us.
Superintendent of Police Edatu naharabura abantu otireho na ministries okurebeka ngu baza kwija muri Kisoro district biine kubanza kumanyisa abasirikare abikirikukwataho aba poliisi batakakozere ekikwekweto kyona.
Every officer who comes in the district, probably from Kampala, from the ministries, and they are coming to have an operation in the district. I am the district police commander. They should always come in my office, present their presence, so that we know why they've come in the district.
Ogu yayongera yarabura abapoliisi abarukoragana n'aba ministry okukora ekikwekweto eki arikugira ngu niwe wenka otiireho na officer in charge abakora abikwekweto ebi.
Also to appeal to the community that where they become suspicious of people they don't understand, they don't have letters approving all that, they should communicate with us, because they will steal them at the end of the day, and by the time we get the information, people have.
Superintendent of Police Cosmas yahamya ku ekikwekweto kya Ministry y'ebyobuhingi n'oburiisa n'obujubi akatari kukimanyaho kandi n'ebyo bizibiti tibarabiresera police.
Anything being brought here, but outside there they are thinking that they were brought to police. There is nothing that was brought here.
Ebyo bikiri bityo bo abaruguza emibazi y'ebyobuhingi n'oburiisa abarimu Munyarugero Valence bareka kushomerwa aba ministry kutwara na munonga emibazi eyarugiro mu katare.
Aba ministry bakiza kukwata emibazi eziri tari ha mutindo nengasi eziri outdated babire bahikize aho kugira ngo waza kureba ngo hineke emibazi zo barakwata ngo government yazihire mu katare konka when we are not even informed about the operation.
Valensi hamwe n'abaguza emibazi y'okosomba by'obuhingi n'oburiisa obwa hati bakozire rosi kandi ebintu byabo bitwirwe barikugira ngu babiguzire aha bantu abakugu.
Nyewe rosi yo ndagira ngo nakozire no kushanga batwire omubazi ubwo baragira ngo government yayihire mu katare nyewe ntarakimanya n'abagorodira bingi batarakimanya konka bagitwara.
Amakuru gasha kwa Adonia Ateire abwa Tayari West omuri Kisoro.